Today we're at an auction and there are growers and farmers here looking at different machinery, and I know one of the thoughts on their mind is protecting this equipment after they purchase it. They're trying to hedge their risk on grain and crops and protect themselves for the long run. So using the Cenex Total Protection Plan warranty, they're able to hedge that risk. And if the machinery does go down, they can get it in the shop, they can get it repaired, and they don't have that cost and that burden that they have to worry about. The Total Protection Plan is important through the cooperative network. The co-op is family, it's home, we take care of each other. We're established to help the farmers get better prices and to have more buying power and to work in unity. And that's what we do with the Total Protection Plan. With the Total Protection Plan warranty, we warranty new equipment as well as used equipment. The Cenex Total Protection Plan warranty warranties used equipment up to 8 years, 8,000 hours. And then on the new, we go up to 10 years, 10,000 hours, depending on the products that are used. In today's machinery, the use of high-quality fuels and lubricants is very important. Utilizing Cenex Ruby Fieldmaster and Cenex lubricants such as Maxtron DEO or Superlube TMS, they will protect your equipment from the inside out, and it's the best way to minimize your risk on the farm and to reduce your downtime. Not only are you protecting your equipment, but you're also gaining up to 4.5% more power, 5% better fuel economy, and then you're also utilizing lube scan analysis on your oil side, which tells you what the condition inside that engine is, and you're able to track that over time and see exactly what's going on inside that engine. At Cenex, we want to see our owners grow and be successful, and we're proud to be a part of that and be a part of their operations every day and protecting their equipment and protecting their livelihood.